Lokma distribution is an interesting eating tradition in Turkey. It has continued from Ottoman times until today. You may come across it at any street. There is a dessert called lokma, and this dessert is distributed freely on the streets. So today we went to one of the events that's made for a memorial or a celebration. Let's go see. Lokma is shaped as a paste from the mixture of flour, sugar, yeast, salt and water. Lokma chefs prepare it with a syrup, sherbet or sweetened fruit juice after deep frying the paste. Hayır lokması translates as goodness lokma. It's usually a sweet and light dessert, but in some regions it's eaten salty without being placed in sherbet. Lokma can be prepared in many ways. Most popular two types are circular ones with a hole in the center and small spheres. Ring-shaped ones are called İzmir lokması, and spheres are called palace lokma or palace dessert because it used to be a dessert in Ottoman palace cuisine. Lokma originates from Middle East. Exact date of the first recipe is not known for certain, even though the name is firstly seen in a book written in 1300s. History of lokma may be going back to 9th century. The word comes from Arabic lukma. Nowadays, lokma in Turkish also means a piece of food eaten or swallowed in one piece. People line up to receive lokma and can convey their good wishes when it's their turn. Although that is a nice gesture, it is not necessary to do so. This is what it looks like. It's kind of a fried food. This is salty. But I can put it in syrup at home and eat it as a dessert. In the past, rulers occasionally had lokma prepared when they returned from war or got joyful news. Additionally, women would make lokma at home, and teens of the household would distribute it around the neighborhood and give some to the children. Let's find out how it's made from Chef Selma hanım, the owner of Hayat Lokma.
Şimdi Turkish lokma yapacağız. 500 kişilik lokma. Hazırlıklarımıza başlıyoruz.
Water, salt, yeast, flour, and sugar. The most important parts of Chef Selma's delicious recipe are to use high-quality ingredients and to prepare it very fresh without adding any preservatives. They don't even use morning's paste for the same evening and make it fresh. She improved her recipe by working hard and practicing many times. The timing of the mixing is imperative for good consistency. As a woman entrepreneur, Chef Selma started Hayat Lokma 6 years ago without any financial support. Culture of Hayır Lokması, Goodness Lokma. Free distribution of Goodness Lokma is a beautiful tradition in Turkey. It's offered to many people at public areas and central locations. Goodness Lokma may be handed out for many reasons. The aim is to share happiness or sadness with other people and increase good feelings. Anyone who wishes to can distribute Goodness Lokma for any occasion and get people's emotional support and good wishes for a situation to turn out well. Goodness Lokma can be given out to share the happiness of a newborn child, when a new house or car is bought, when children of the family get accepted into their desired school, to prevent accidents and increase income when a new business is started or anything to go well.
Şimdi hamurumuzu yaptık, mayalanmaya bırakıyoruz. Mayalandıktan sonra dökme işlemine başlayacağız.
A lot of people have lokma made for the soul of the deceased when a close person or an elder of the family passes away. Lokma is distributed to do good deeds every year on the anniversary of the deceased death day on their behalf, in hopes that the elder will rest in peace with the good deeds done in their name. Lokma is made for many reasons, like fruitfulness, health, happiness, and so on. The amount depends on the person's financial power, and there isn't a determined number. Lokma is often distributed from movable stalls in some cities of Turkey. It's similar to offering traditions. There aren't any financial benefits for the person who paid for or employed the distribution event. The objective is to do good to someone, anyone, without knowing them or without having a relationship based on self-interest. Distribution of Goodness Lokma resembles the old Turkish tradition of leaving some of the food to nature and living creatures by saying to wolves, birds, mountains, and rocks after eating. I talked to the person who asked for lokma distribution today and learned his story. People ask for lokma distribution on every death anniversary to honor the memory of their elders pleasantly or to remember them fondly. When there's a happy event. To share happiness, to share good memories. The name of the person you had lokma made for is also written at the board.